Every second, more than 40 smartphones are produced in massive electronics factories across the world. But have you ever wondered how thousands of tiny components, screens, chips, cameras, and batteries all come together to create the phone in your hand? Today, PROCEXO takes you inside a state-of-the-art smartphone manufacturing plant, where robotics, precision engineering, and thousands of skilled workers build devices with incredible speed and accuracy. Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to PROCEXO for more IMAX-style factory tours.